stick.
That's what she said.
I don't need this.
I see you're struggling, ma'am.
Sir, don't appreciate the commentary.
Require assistance?
No.
What is this called?
Thick.
Vulcanized fiber, yes.
It's called thick.
Thick shit. You can go ahead and cut that. It's not like a
Yo, yeah, I know, but like, good lord.
Sasha in the background.
Hi, cutie booty. It's called thick.
Did you measure?
No.
Fuck measuring? Roger the fuck that. So right now we have a good old vulcanized fiber here, and we have our handles. What wood is it? A-bar. I don't want anyone asking me. There we go. And obviously we have a lot of room, but yeah, that's what we want. And that's pretty much it for now. We're gonna go drill through that right now. So, did you measure?
No.
Just a few little dots will do.
Just two.
Yeah.
It's never gonna come apart.
Just make sure that shit is really flush with each other. And square. We have a cat chewing on a piece of wood over there.
She's good in the heart.
No, she's not. Good. So what we're doing is we're trying to get this stripe that is in the Ibarra to line up with the handle type deal. So it's going to be a lot of precise work. And obviously we want this line here in between the handle. So is it glued yet? Yeah,
No.
I'm going to leave it for a while. Not really. It's supposed to be like 30 seconds. What the fuck?
Oh well.
Loctite super glue. I don't want people asking me. And
Yeah.
we're gonna use 1/8 inch drill bits, as you see. It's actually 9/64s, right? 9/64s.
Yeah, it was a ridiculous number.
And then like we can't find brass for that. It's this little stainless steel type Crovan weird looking blade that we acquired. It's a nice little bird skinner though.
We tried to drill it before, but
Yeah, that burnt out the drill bit actually. Oh no, it actually did.
oh well.
What focus?
That's okay.
Fuck the focus. All you need to know is it burned the tip. But yeah, waiting for it to dry. Is it dry yet? No?
I think.
Feels dry. Get a few more. So, yeah, you got that. So obviously,
Right.
this turns it on, and this obviously
Right,
lowers it.
but-
You are such a pro. You gotta turn it on before you fucking
I
do
know
it.
that, but I gotta line it up.
Good job, you're doing great. You are a pro in the making.
Am I? Really? You think so?
Not really.
I'll show my face. Alright. This thing? Oh. This is in the
Slowly
way.
does it.
I hate this.
You got it. Yeah. You drill through that wood.
Okay.
Did it go all the way through?
It did not.
Negative.
Alright.
You got this. Ooh. Ooh. All the way through. Oh, I think it did.
I hope so. Yes.
You drilled through it so well, you actually drilled into the... Oh, fuck. You drilled into my table.
Did I?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
You little bastard. Yeah, you got to be on first.
I know.
Obviously,
I'm
you're
trying to
doing
line
great.
it up. I'm trying to line it up. Okay. That's really close. How do I...
Huh.
This thing?
Yeah. No, you don't want to clamp it because
I don't? Okay.
yeah, you only want to do it with metal.
Alright.
Might be good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a little scrunchy though. Oh well.
Yeah, you'll send that off. You're doing great, pal.
Thanks, man.
Has to be on first.
I know. I'm.
You're doing great, pal.
Good.
Now we have 2 pins. That. Blades.
Nice.
Nice. Okay. It'd be good to bookmark your shit. Say this is left, this is right. Write it with a marker or something. Because.
Oh, I just hurt myself.
Wait. So which one's left? So which is. So.
Left. Right.
There we go. Flips it. Oh, you're left-handed?
Yes.
You're going to hell. So what are you doing now?
Degreasing.
Or-
Using denatured alcohol.
Why though?
Fuck, I don't know.
You're dumb shit. It's so the epoxy can stick better, right?
There you go.
You knew that though.
Of course
Good
I
job.
did.
Greasy
I just know that it, dries out my hands like crazy.
pussy.
What do you want?
So what are you doing now? Am I
Degreasing.
recording sideways?
Yeah.
Yeah, just cut right there.
Why am I using this? This isn't that sharp either.
Oh, but it worked, huh?
You know what?
Yeah, get your finger.
No, I don't.
You want me to do it?
Shut up. I'm gonna cut myself.
You're horrible.
I know.
I
Shut
got
up.
I got you. How come I did it on the first try?
I don't.
Oh shit! You know what we forgot?
What?
Your fucking your cloth. The vulcanized fiber.
It's up there.
Oh
And
shit!
Loctite.
We completely forgot this shit.
Oh.
God damn it! Oh, am I recording
me
sideways?
Maybe.
Yeah, just cut right there. Okay. You have just a little bit of epoxy because we really don't need that much. Never heard that's me say that in my channel, huh? Mix thoroughly. What kind of epoxy do you use? This kind. Look at it.
Loctite.
The 60-minute. Because I'm slow.
That's mean. Don't say that about yourself.
You know who's slower? You for freaking forgetting the scales.
What do you... Stop.
So,
Oh, so now you're doing my knife.
yeah. Oh, you want me to switch you?
A little bit.
Do you wanna get epoxy on your hands?
Oh, yes.
Oh, okay. That's what we do now. Shipmate.
Shipmate.
Shipmate. So yeah, we're gonna. So why did we do it like this? It's because this shit was so fucking tight. We actually ended up breaking like a little bit of the wood in the handles, like right there, as you see. And we just decided that we didn't want to fuck with it while it was all wet and shit.
So, yeah, we made a sandwich.
Can you believe in California they fucking charge you 10 cents per bag?
Well, I mean, you'd only spend $1 if you got 100 bags. Sorry, 10. Fuck. Oh, wow. That's incredible.
Wow.
$10, sorry. It wouldn't really make a difference.
That's why the cashiers have a thing to scan the bags now. I'm trying to open this bitch up.
I'm embarrassed.
You're on video. You're on YouTube. That's
I know.
So yeah, you wanna use a little clamp. Right there in the middle is fine. And unless you wanna use another one, if you do, you're fucked because it's over there being used. So you see that little squeeze out line right here? wanna hit zoom? You wanna do
No, you can see it.
right here?
Yes.
So what you do is you take a little bit of fucking denatured alcohol and you wipe it away with your little cloth. Same way you just started. Running speed, mom.
The cat's gonna follow you.
Dun, dun, dun.
You're cute.
How many bags?
I wanna die.
So you pretty much just wipe the squeeze.
Wipe the squeeze.
Wipe the squeeze. And we should have knife making classes. This should be a blast.
Well, I mean, they had an electrical class, and I made it through that, so.
Oh my god. Yeah. 10 bags, 100 bags.
You know what? That's what.
This is why art programs fail.
Oh my god!
Okay, we're good. And then we'll leave it sit for a while. Being a pro?
No.
You being a pro?
No, I hate this thing.
You look like you're being a pro.
No, it doesn't work with people that are left-handed. See?
Oh.
This is shit.
Put it in a review.
No.
Oh, you fucked it up.
You fucked it up.
You
Being
go,
a pro?
Miss Knife Maker.
No. Oh man, thank you.
Now you want to keep what you were just doing though. Make sure you get that good old front right there.
Yeah, but it's a little bit of a tight squeeze. Just a little bit.
That's what she said.
Oh boy.
It's better if you grab the sandpaper from the bottom.
I know,
so you
but
use
it
more.
gets really tight up here and the clamps are there.
You don't know about that good old tight left, right?
I don't need this.
You're doing great, pal. You go, Miss Knife Maker.
What grade sandpaper is it?
Too much.
Yeah, 320 is not too much. Motherfuckers thought there'd be like 500 grit shit.
I just wanted the scratches out, man.
Ooh. You just see that? That was good. I think I caught that, man. Oh, bro, look at her eye. She's all fucked up.
Eat shit.
Damn. You about to ready to rip dip it in oil?
Yeah,
Good.
pretty good. Dusty. But I'm happy with it.
You look dusty.
It's pretty.
What kind of oil are you using?
Olive oil.
What grade
Extra virgin.
Those are the best ones, huh?
Nasty.
When you don't have a jar of oil. Ooh.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Doesn't look at me goddamn different.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
It's beautiful.
Looks like fucking wood. What's sharper, your nail or the fucking knife?
It's got a little dirt under it. Don't look at it.
You look dirty. What kind of wood was it? Abara?
Yeah.
I'm Now I know what not to use.
I like it. I don't know what you're talking about. I got exactly what I wanted on it.
It looks nice.
Thank
It
you.
looks nice.
Thank you, sweetie.
Good job. Like a virgin. No?
I know what you're saying.
Looks nice. I like it. Ish. Okay. What kind of oil are you using?
Olive oil.
Oh, with the
Extra.
trees looks so pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, we need some good light. Okay. Looks pretty. You got all the good edges and everything.
I got exactly what I wanted. Except for it's just a little uneven. But it's my first knife.
Not really uneven. It looks good.
You think? Yeah. I like it.
Nice. You gonna sell it?
Maybe.
Neat. Is that all?
Yeah. That's all. Unless you want a paper cut test.
Nigga.
No.
Good.
Yeah?
Proud son.
Thanks, Dad.